How to make any woman miss you even if she is not interested. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel as we bring you another video which will surely aid you in your love life. Making someone miss you might be difficult, particularly if they are not interested in you. There are, however, methods to leave a positive impression and have people remember you long after you have left the room. In this video, we will look at 7 practical strategies to make her miss you. These suggestions can help you improve your chances of making any woman miss you and forging a closer bond with her. Before we begin, please press that red button to subscribe to our channel and comment "I've subscribed" so that we can thank you. Show genuine interest. Showing genuine interest in a woman is a tactful way to make her miss you, but what does it really mean to show genuine interest? It means actively listening to her, asking questions about her interests, and getting to know her on a deeper level. By doing this, you make her realise that she is heard and seen and holds a good place in your daily life. You can remember the little things she mentions during conversations, maybe her favourite animal or her favourite TV show. Don't just ask vague or general questions, ask follow-up questions to show that you are genuinely interested in what she has to say. She will feel valued and appreciated this way. Added to this, be attentive to her needs. You never know what wonders these moves can do when it comes to make her missing you. For example, a man who actively listens to his date and remembers her favourite hobbies surprises her with tickets to her favourite singer's concert. Amazing! She would feel very special, and maybe the next time she listens to that artist's music, it will always remind her of that man. Follow these tips and you would definitely not regret it. Be mysterious. It goes without saying that people are attracted to the unexpected, so maintaining a certain air of mystery can help you stand out as more alluring. How? Well, keeping your personal life secret is one strategy for remaining enigmatic. Keep your previous relationships, family, and personal objectives under wraps until the right time. This will pique her interest in you and keep her wondering about your activities away from her. Don't be scared to take risks and gradually and erratically introduce her to your interests. Putting some space between you and the subject is a third method to be mysterious. Don't always answer her texts right away or be accessible. Being enigmatic has been shown to work really well in real life to make a lady miss you. Look at the example of a guy who progressively exposes his date to a variety of his interests and pastimes. She grows more curious and eager to learn more about him as she discovers his many interests. He leaves her wanting more and thinking about him when he isn't around by putting a little space between them and not being accessible all the time. Personal space. Another powerful strategy for making a woman miss you is to give her space. Give her some breathing space. It can make her value your presence when you are together even more. Even though, I get it, this kind of sounds a little bit contradictory, right? It demonstrates that you are mature enough to recognize that despite being pals or in a relationship, you both have your private lives and are autonomous individuals. Respecting her boundaries is one method to grant her space. Don't push her to hang out or talk all the time if she says she needs some time alone or that she's preoccupied. This will demonstrate to her that you value her goals and requirements. Avoid overdoing it with your affection or attention as a third method to offer her room. Even though it's crucial to let her know that you care, spamming her with messages or persistently trying to make plans to meet can be a little bit annoying. Instead, move aside and allow her a chance to forget you. But while this tactic is quite useful, it requires a lot of caution. There may be times when she may need personal space, while at others she would need your presence there, so stay alert. Be confident. Being confident and assertive is another way to make a woman miss you. Confidence is a highly attractive trait, and being assertive shows that you know what you want and you are willing to go after it. When you have a sense of purpose and direction, you exude a sense of confidence and determination that is appealing to others. So, share your goals and aspirations with her and show her that you are willing to work hard to achieve them. Don't be wishy-washy or indecisive in your interactions with her, but rather take charge and make decisions confidently. This will show her that you are a leader and someone she can rely on. Don't try to be someone you are not just to impress her, but rather embrace your unique qualities and those quirks. This will show her that you are comfortable in your own skin and confident in who you are. Be you. A man working towards his goals or his ambitions, no matter how minor or major, shares his progression with his partner. She would become more attracted to his confidence and that assertiveness. By being just unapologetically himself, he shows that he is comfortable in his own skin and someone that she can rely on. Be spontaneous. Imagine this. You and your partner are having a normal routine day. Suddenly, you speak out a spontaneous plan or activity you both can do, causing a sudden serotonin boost. This will make her very excited, and who knows, this plan could become a core memory, something she misses you by. Don't always follow a set pattern or schedule in your interactions with her, but rather mix things up and surprise her with unexpected messages or calls. This will keep her on her toes and leave her wondering when she'll hear from you next. While it's important to make time for her and prioritize your relationship, don't always be at her beck and call. Make plans with friends or pursue your own interests and let her miss you just a little bit. This will make her appreciate your time together even more when you do see each other. As she wonders what he'll do next, a woman becomes more attracted to the man's unpredictability and excitement. By not always being available, he gives her the opportunity to miss him and appreciate their time together even more. Speak less, listen more. Yes, really is that simple. Just sit there and listen. Easy. Only if done properly. Give her your undivided attention. Put away your phone or other distractions and focus solely on what she is saying. Even make eye contact as much as you can. This will make her feel heard and valued. Ask open-ended questions that encourage her to elaborate and share more about herself. This will deepen your connection and make her feel understood. Added to this, put yourself in her shoes and try to see things from her perspective. This will help her feel supported and validated and leave her feeling more connected to you. By being a good listener, a man deepens his connection and leaves a woman feeling much more connected to him. Hey, your opinion matters too. Yeah, get this, believe it or not, if you do not have your own opinions or interests and try agreeing to everything that your crush says, this is indeed a huge turnoff. Maintaining your own life and interests is another way to make a woman miss you. While it's important to prioritize your relationship, having your own life and interests outside of it is crucial for maintaining your own sense of self and keeping things interesting for her. Whether it's playing music, reading, or hiking, continue to do the things that bring you joy and fulfillment. This will not only make you happier, but also make you more attractive to her as she sees you pursuing your passions. Make time for the important people in your life and continue to cultivate those relationships. This will show her that you have a life beyond her and that you value the people in your life. Think of a guy who, even while in a partnership, pursues his interests and spends time with his friends and family. She grows more drawn to him and misses him when they are apart, as she observes him continuing to develop and change as a person. I shall leave with this example to further contemplate on this tactic. Even if a woman isn't originally interested in you, there are many methods to make her appreciate you. These techniques can help you generate a sense of mystery and excitement that will keep her engaged in the relationship, from being assured, enigmatic, to keeping your own life and interests and being unexpected. You can use these strategies to keep her under your spell and leave her wanting more, just like an expert performer knows how to captivate his audience. Remember that the secret to success is using these techniques in a way that feels genuine to you, while striking the right balance between present and being captivating. You are well on your way to having any woman want you if you consider these strategies. So go ahead, put your charm and wit to work and watch as she falls under your spell and begs for more of your attention. And that is it for today. So see you in the next video.